How was it playing you saw your team playing a 5-set match?
I'm really happy and really proud of everyone na nabigyan talaga sila ng lahat ng opportunity. Ako lang hindi. Lahat ng opportunity na mapakita nila yung mga talents nila, and they really played as a team today. At grabe pala yung feeling talaga if you're supporting yung mga tao, yung team na mahal mo talaga. I'm really proud and I'm really gonna support them all the way.
What can you say about Rebisco and Greenline's decision to sit you out?
I'm really happy to be part of a family na very understanding, very supportive, and definitely na-appreciate lahat ng ginagawa ng mga athlete na katulad ko, and they're really thinking of the bigger picture and for the long term and the benefit of everyone din talaga. So I'm just really happy and really proud to be part of a family na good vibes, sharing good vibes, and very happy lang.
After what you saw today, are you confident na maisasara nila sa game 2 kahit wala ka?
Well, I believe in